Good morning, students. Today we will study about congruency of triangles. So firstly we will see what is the meaning of congruency. Any two figures are said to be congruent if they have same shape and the same size. For example, if we take two circles of same radius, both the circles having same radius, then these two circles are said to be congruent circles. If we take two squares of same side, these two squares having same side, then these two squares are congruent squares. If we superimpose one square on the other, they will cover each other exactly. So, but here we have to study about congruence of triangles. So same definition, two triangles are said to be congruent if they have same shape and the same size. Congruent figures means exactly the same figure, duplicate of each other. So definition is two triangles are said to be congruent if they have same shape and the same size. This is the definition of congruence of triangles. They have exactly the same shape and the same size. Let us take two triangles ABC and PQR. So if these two triangles are congruent, if we superimpose one triangle on the other, they will cover exactly each other, and corresponding sides and corresponding angles will be equal. So we will study about corresponding sides and corresponding angles. Angle opposite to equal sides are called corresponding angles, and side opposite to equal angles, they are called corresponding sides. So congruent figures means exactly the same figure, duplicate of each other. So there are 6 corresponding parts, 3 corresponding sides and 3 corresponding angles. So if two triangles are equal, congruent, it means their corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. Now we will see what are the conditions of congruency, criteria of congruency. Criteria of congruency of two triangles. Criteria of congruency of two triangles. So first one is side congruency. Yes. Congruency. So what is side congruency? Yes, congruency. If three sides of one triangle, all the three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of the other triangle, then both the triangles are said to be congruent. So let us take two triangles. Suppose one triangle is ABC, another triangle is PQR, and it is given that if side AB is equal to side PQ, BC is equal to QR, and side AC is equal to PR. So here we see that all the three sides of triangle ABC are equal to three sides of triangle PQR. In this case, both the triangles are congruent. So if AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, AC is equal to PR, then we can write triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR by yes congruency. When these two triangles have become congruent, then corresponding part will be equal. So all these three sides are already given equal. So remaining three angles will be also equal. So which angles will be equal? Corresponding angles will be equal. How we can see the corresponding angles? Angles opposite to equal sides. So BC and QR, these two sides are equal. So their opposite angles means angle A, and in the second triangle angle B. It will be equal. Angle A is equal to angle B. Again we see that AB is equal to PQ. AB opposite angle is C, and here PQ opposite angle is R. So angle C is equal to angle R. AC is equal to the side PR. AC opposite angle, it is angle B, and here PR opposite angle is. So angle B is equal to angle Q. So three sides are given already equal. These two triangles are congruent. So we can write the remaining three angles will be also equal. Corresponding angles will be equal. How we have to see the corresponding angles? Angles opposite to equal sides are corresponding angles. And side opposite to equal angles are called corresponding sides. And we write here CPCD. CPCD means what? Corresponding part of congruent triangles are equal. Corresponding part of congruent triangles. This is the full form of CPCD. So this is the first condition. Side congruency of two triangles. When we write the name of the triangle, we have to be careful here. We have to write the name of the triangle in the proper sequence, in the correct sequence. Means if triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR, triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR, we cannot write triangle ABC congruent triangle QRP. Triangle is said, but we cannot write like this. Why we cannot write? Because here BC and QR. BC and QR, they are corresponding sides, but here BC and RP are the corresponding sides. But BC and RP are not equal. BC equal to QR. BC and RP are not equal. So we cannot write like this. We have to give the name of the triangles in correct sequence. So that is the first condition of congruency. Now we will see the second. Second condition is side angle side. Side angle side. We write it yes congruency. Again we will take two triangles. One triangle is ABC. Another triangle is PQR. How we can define side angle side? If two sides and included angle. Two sides, if we take the side AB and BC, what will be included angle? Angle B. So if two sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to corresponding two sides and included angle of the other triangle, then both the triangles are congruent. Here we see that AB is equal to PQ, included angle B is equal to angle Q, side BC is equal to QR. So here we see that side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. So these two triangles are congruent.